guys, look at what I just received from the mail from Michelin. I got the truck mat. It's gonna go in the back here on the Ford F150 Lightning, and we're gonna get this unpacked. Here's a package. And we're gonna get this done. Let me put this camera right here, and when I get this unpacked, and now we're gonna set it flat on the sun for at least a day, so it could actually fit well in the back. Comes with the instructions. Here's the instructions how to put it. You got the correct size, installation position, truck bed, and we're gonna lay it flat, and how to maintain it and care for it. This is very good. So I'll put this on the side. Okay, let's get this. Now let's unveil this one. Look at this. This one looks beautiful. Look at this. So before we install it, I'm gonna let it flat for a while. And then take the other one out. But see that? From Michelin. And it fits perfect. So stay tuned for the second part. Well, let me come back and I'm gonna show you how it fit perfectly well in here. Okay guys, after letting it sit here for at least 24 hours to 2 days, no wrinkles, and it fits perfect. The Michelin mat track. This is for the F150 Lightning, and everything fits well perfectly. You see that? The corners, the middle part, and I'm gonna put a description so where you guys can buy it. This is the truck mat for the trunk in the back. Thank you.